Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will be presenting the object-oriented programming project. So first of all, we start with our group members. I am the leader. My name is Muhammad Rafiqi Aqlan bin ASMADI.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AHMAD FITRI. I'm the third presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anisarah binti Sarifudin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAFIQA binti Muhammad NORIZAL. My ID number is 522-1522-3153.
So that's all from our members. So we proceed the project title. So which is our project title is Staff Purchase Claim System. So in our project, we have two purpose and a few features. So the first purpose is the system maintains a record of all submitted claims, allowing user to view, remove, and calculate total of the claims. The second purpose is employee input purchase details, including staff name and total amount through the system. And we have the four features in it: is submit claims, display claims, delete claims, and calculate total claims. So this is our UML class design. As you can see, we have the two Java 5. So the first one is purchase claim system. The second one is staff purchase claim system. So the first purchase claim system, you have one data member, is to claims a release in bracket purchase claim. Following the five of the method inside of it. So one is the purchase claim system, submit claim, string and double. And the third one is display claim, delete claim integer, and the last one is calculate total claims. So we'll go to the second Java file is staff purchase claim system. It has three private data member. It is claim system, purchase claim system, staff name, data type string, and amount is data type double. So we have the four method inside of it, the main string, so that we want to debug it to make the system running. And the second one is purchase claim string and double of the data type. The third is get staff name, and the last one is get amount of it. So as you can see in the private data member, we have claim system, purchase claim system. As we recall back the method that we use that in the purchase claim system, it is to submit, display, delete, and calculate total claims. In which the staff purchase claim system is inherited the purchase claim system. So that's all from me. So I will pass it to second presenter.
Okay, I will be the second member to explain the project. So A, show a list for OP concept or principle, refer table 1 and 2 that included into the project. And tick right if you use all the subtopics. So we use these two subtopics except for this pointer. Next, explain each the OOP concept applied or abandoned into the code for the first two chapters. So first, classes and objects. In the code, classes are used to model real-world entities. Purchase claim system and staff purchase claim system are classes that represent system for managing purchase claims. And purchase claim represent an individual purchase claim. Object of these classes are created in the main program to interact with the system. Number two, data members. Data members represent properties or attributes of objects. In this case, claims in both systems store information about purchase claims, and staff name and amount in purchase claim represent specific detail of each claim. Next, number three, method members, which is method define the behavior or operation that can be performed on objects. The method in these classes allow submitting claims, displaying them, deleting claims, and calculating total claim amounts. Number four, which is assessor and mutator. Assessor methods retrieve information from staff name and amount, while the delete claims method modifies the state of the object by removing a claim from the list. Lastly, show at least one code segment where exception handling is used and tell the audience the possible runtime error to be caught. So exception handling is implemented to deal with potential runtime errors. For example, if the user enters a valid input for scanner.nextInt and input mismatch exception is caught, the code segment below demonstrates exception handling. So the code catch different exception and provide appropriate message to the user. That's all. Thank you.
In the purchase claim system, we have employed several key object-oriented programming concepts. So let's take a look at them. OOP concepts that we use in this code are encapsulation and abstraction. OOP concepts that we don't use in this code are inheritance and polymorphism. Encapsulation is evident in the purchase claim class. The private field staff name and amount are encapsulated, accessibly through the public getter method, ensuring control access. Abstraction is achieved through the purchase claim system class, which encapsulate the list of claim and provide method like submit claim and display claim, offering a simplified interface for interacting with the purchase claim. In the staff purchase claim program class, input mismatch exception can occur if the user enters a non-integer when promoted for menu choice. The code catches this exception, promotes the user to enter a valid input. Here, the code uses a try catch block to handle potential input mismatch exception. This ensures that if a user enters invalid input, like non-integer, the program gracefully handles the situation without crashing. That's all from me. I will pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Okay, now I would like to address some key challenges that we have faced during the system development and how we successfully navigated them. Okay, so there are a few challenges that we have faced. So for the first challenges is in input validation in ensure valid staff name and purchase amount. So for the solution to challenges, number one is we have implemented a robust solution for input validation. This involves utilizing regular expression and enforcing strict data type for staff name and also for purchase amount. So for the second challenges is in error handling in managing unexpected errors during claim submission, display, deletion or total calculation. So for solution to challenges number 2 is involves implementing comprehensive error handling mechanism. We log error for future analysis, provide informative error message to users, and also establish a systematic approach for tracking and troubleshooting any issue that may arise. So I think that's all for our presentation. Hope you guys understand what we are presenting. Thank you for your attention and engagement. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.